As far as I'm concerned, LED is a win-win thing for retailers. It makes the product look well, but it also makes the shop look well.
Customers buy more product when it's better displayed. This is quite clear.
Lighting is even more important than, your whole interior decoration. And that's what the retailers are starting to discover now, that lighting is a business tool for them.
What is important is the contrast between the food lit up and the ambient light. Because you can be in the dark and have just one object being lit up and you'll be drawn to that object. Some retailers have very bright shops, but in that case, the importance for us is to illuminate the product even brighter so that you're still attracted to those displays. You can play with the light, and also depending on the product, you can enhance the illumination level, so the brightness, you can decrease it in certain areas, and you can curate a theater actually. The whole merchandise area becomes in fact a kind of theater, and that's a way to also give the customer a kind of visual merchandising experience.
If you look at traditional ineffective technologies like fluorescent lighting, for example, I mean, it's very, very bright. In fact, it's brighter than LED in some instances, but it's bright in the wrong places.
LED lighting has this added advantage compared to existing technology, that it is very directional and it shines light exactly where it is needed.
We light into the depth of the case. We don't assume that all displays are beautifully stocked, so we've designed our light in such a way that if the first 2 rows are purchased, we can still illuminate the third row of product.
There are some challenges in lighting up very wide cabinets with doors, and we have developed very thin products with a very specific lighting pattern to end up with a fully even lighting that will be equal in the center, on the sides, at the top, at the bottom, of very high quality light.
The part of the food retail store that allows the store owner to differentiate himself from his competitor next door that might be selling cheaper product is the front end of the store, where all of the fresh produce, the cheeses, essentially all the high margin products are deployed, and that's where you have some of the more innovative and brighter applications for illumination.
So Nualight has developed a new linear type of systems where you can, for the first time, because you have enough power, you can really wash your walls, your cabinets, and create uniform and sometimes even very contrasty kind of spots. And of course the big advantage that you can change the color temperature. So you can really play around in a way which you could not do in the past with fluorescent tubes or metal halide spots.
If there is one word we should associate with Nualight, it's versatility. For different cases, different width, different height, different depth, we will fill the space with the light that is required to have the best lighting of the product.